Hi everyone and welcome to Hugh Systems channel. Today we are going to discuss about DevOps and how it is transforming the traditional software development life cycle. Conceptualized by Patrick DeBois and Andrew Clay in 2008, DevOps is the combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that increase an organization's ability to deliver applications and services, evolving and improving products at faster pace than organizations using the traditional software development and infrastructure management processes. DevOps has become a buzzword over the last few years, causing many organizations in both the private and the public sector to jump on board the DevOps hype. Let us look at the DevOps market size now. The global DevOps market size is projected to reach USD 14,969 million by 2026, with a CAGR of 19% over a time period of 2019 to 2026. With North America having the biggest slice of the pie of the market share, the public cloud segment is expected to lead the DevOps adoption. Let us now look at the 6 C's of DevOps. Continuous business planning, which starts with identifying the skills, outcomes, and resources. Collaborative development starts with development sketch plan and programming. Moving to continuous testing, which involves unit and integration testing to help increase the efficiency and speed of the development. To continuous release and deployment, which is non-stop continuous development pipeline to help you implement code reviews and developer check-ins easily. We'll then next move to continuous monitoring, which involves monitoring of the changes and address the errors or mistakes spontaneously as soon as they happen in the SDLC. Moving to the last point, customer feedback and optimization, which allows the immediate response of your customers for your product and its features and helps you to modify your service or product accordingly. Taking care of these 6 stages will make you a good DevOps organization. We'll now take a look at how DevOps is inculcated into a traditional SDLC. The DevOps lifecycle comprises of different stages. The continuous integration stage comprises of plan, build, and test stages of the DevOps chain. The deployment stage, along with the plan, build, and test stages, comprise of continuous delivery. The entire continuous delivery and continuous integration stage, along with the feedback stage, comprise of the continuous feedback. Moving on to the DevOps core values, CAMS, also called as CAMS. The CAMS model was created by Damon Edwards and John Wallace. CAMS stands for culture, automation, measurement, and sharing. The CAMS model is a set of values used by many DevOps engineers today. Adopting to DevOps culture means transforming into an organization that focuses on delivering a high-quality service. Automation results in predictable and standardized outcomes. Measurement is fundamental for continuously offering value and improvement and have to be integrated into processes as a part of DevOps implementation. Sharing is one of the most important aspects of the CAMS model. Implementing DevOps involves a constant interaction and, most importantly, knowledge sharing between the organization. Let's look at DevOps best practices. These best practices are required for enhancing DevOps performance and facilitate a highly productive organization. They are continuous integration, continuous delivery, microservices, infrastructure as a code, monitoring and logging, communication and collaboration. Let's look at each of these best practices in greater details. Continuous integration. Continuous integration enables to find and acknowledge the bugs faster, improves the software quality, and helps in reducing time to validate and release new software updates. Continuous delivery, a process of automatically building and testing of code changes to prepare it for release to production. By using cloud along with DevOps tools, it is easy and cost effective to perform end-to-end automation and replication of multiple environment testing. Microservices. It involves breaking of large, complex application into many individual small services where each service runs in its own process and confines to a single function. It makes application flexible and enables quicker innovation. We now come to infrastructure as a code, also known as IaaC. IaaC is a practice in which infrastructure is specified and managed using tools. It assures high flexibility to make modifications, upgradation, changes, and restoration in the shortest period of time. Moving on, monitoring and logging. This practice helps to find out any potential issue and proactively monitor it, which can impact all stages such as production, deployment, testing, and further. The last leg of the best practices, communication and collaboration. DevOps culture is designed to break down barriers within an organization. It helps speeding up communication across developers, operations, and even other teams such as marketing or sales, allowing all parts of the organization to align more closely on goals and projects. Here's a Gartner's 8-step guide to get DevOps right. DevOps challenges conventional IT thinking. This infographic by Gartner lays down 8 important steps to facilitate DevOps implementation within an organization. Let's take a minute to go through it. Here are a few market predictions by IDC. International Data Corporation (IDC) announced the release of IDC Futurescape, Worldwide Developer and DevOps 2020 Predictions. This paper puts forward 10 developer and DevOps market predictions for 2020 with actionable insights for technology buyers in the DevOps market for the next 5 years. They are: enhanced AI optimizations for developers, accelerating transformation of traditional applications, DevOps focus on business KPIs, recognized capability of DevOps, wider use of container platforms, and DevOps as a daily activity. That brings us to the benefits of implementing DevOps. When CEOs consider the benefits of DevOps and whether or not they should introduce it in their organization, their viewpoint will be influenced by their ongoing concerns with lower costs and increasing revenues. As a result, factors like gaining a faster time to market and creating higher quality products will be at the top of their agenda. Here are some most talked about benefits of DevOps. Reliability and stability, faster updates and products delivery, better user experience, fewer failures, higher quality, cost savings, shorter development cycle, low risk, efficiency, reduced time to recover. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Are you interested to know more about how HSC can help you implement DevOps within your organization? Contact us at info@hsc.com, or you can also visit our website www.hsc.com. Thank you.